Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you Peakago, the incredible new mini Windows laptop that you can take with you wherever you go, making work and play so much easier. With Peakago, you can transfer all of your computer software and data into this 7-inch laptop, allowing you to work on your projects for work, school, and more wherever you go. Pick the laptop that's right for you and start working on the go with this incredible product. You could purchase your very own Peakago laptop using the link on the screen or in the description. Let's take a closer look. In this video, made in collaboration with Peakago, you can begin your purchase by choosing the laptop you want to use. The standard Peakago laptop comes with a 4GB memory size and a hard disk storage of 64GB. Your laptop will also have its own CPU processor, wireless compatibility, and 4500 mAh battery. If you want more storage, simply pay a slightly larger price to get the Peakago Pro, which comes with double the memory size and hard disk storage. You can also select a 4G plan to come with your Pro laptop if you wish. With so many options that will perfectly match your budget and needs, you can be sure that you're purchasing the best laptop for the best price. Instead of having to lug around a heavy laptop, you'll have a blast carrying this light and portable computer with all the software and features you need to work anywhere, anytime. When your Peakago laptop arrives, it will come in a stylish and secure package, including a convenient and portable pouch to carry your laptop in. Simply zip the pouch open and close to use and store your laptop wherever you'd like. Your Peakago laptop will come fully ready to use, so just turn it on and start exploring its many features. The computer will come with all of the same content that you find on a standard Windows laptop like Microsoft Edge, Office, Skype, and so much more. If you choose a 4G plan, you can use all of your software even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, because the Peakago laptop comes with its own 4G connection when you choose that plan. Now, the laptop also comes with a convenient touchscreen so you can simply maneuver between programs without having to connect a mouse. With the Microsoft App Store and the internet, you can also download additional software that you want to use, allowing you to perform a wide variety of tasks all in a small laptop that you can easily carry around with you wherever you go. Convenient, portable, and incredibly handy, Peakago gives users maximum functionality for minimal cost, making your life so much easier. Whether it's for work, school, or simply for fun, Peakago has something for everyone and is sure to completely change the way that you use your laptop and take your passions with you wherever you go. Write documents, play games, and access all of the internet's content with this incredible product. With so many options, you can find the perfect laptop that's right for you while saving a lot of money along the way. Don't miss out on Peakago laptop and order this awesome product today using a link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.